All right, hello, welcome. Joshua Fuchs here, your crypto wealth advocate, bringing you the news today, talking about how, according to CoinDesk, Mike Novogratz, who is a ex hedge fund manager, billionaire, talks about how Bitcoin will hit $10,000 by the end of year 2017. As of today, November 22nd, 2017, I 100% agree with Mike based on what's happening. Now, there's a few things that happen in the market that may prevent this from hitting 10,000 that I'm going to bring up in a moment. But the one thing that I want to talk about is how Ethereum could be closing in at over 500. Right now, it's about $369.92, which is higher than it has been for many, many months, considering that it has been floating around 280 to 310 for about at least 5 months. And so it hasn't really had a lot of growth or traction yet. Now, I want you to understand coming in 2018, please make sure you have some Ethereum. Why? Because it's poised for some serious growth in 2018 with the launch of all these blockchain companies that are using Ethereum with smart contracts and the Ethereum blockchain to launch their business. Many different industries are starting to adopt that, and that's going to have a huge effect on the price and demand of Ethereum. So, if you can get in today for $369 a coin, I recommend getting as many as you can because eventually add a zero to that, and that's where Ethereum will be in the next year or so, potentially. And I believe that it will drastically grow like it did this last year. It had significant growth um, over the last year in 2017, let alone it will be poised to do that even more so here in the coming year of 2018. So load up on that if you can. Diverse your portfolio. Definitely have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up. People keep asking me, Josh, is it too late? Joshua, is it too late? And by the way, my nickname's Schwa, so I'm going to be referring to that. That's what people call me that know me. Schwa, is it too late to understand this? No, it's not too late to understand. You need to understand it. It's the future of money. Make sure you get plugged in. Stop screwing around and get involved. Learn. That's what our entire YouTube channel is for, is education. And there's a lot of other people out there too that have YouTube channels with education on it. So, a plethora of information for you out there. Plug in. It's the future, folks. Plug in. No messing around. So, with that being said, diverse, have some Bitcoin holdings. Make sure that you're not just sitting on it, though, that your Bitcoin's working for you. Have a little that you are sitting on, have some that's working for you, have some Ethereum, have some mining contracts that you can mine. Get involved if you really want to have a diverse portfolio in crypto holdings. A good place to start is just to buy some Bitcoin and let it get working with you through some of the different systems that we invest in. If you're interested in that, please reach out to us. But there's plenty of options out there. Be careful though, because some of them are scams and they will take your money. Now, Bitcoin itself is not a scam. I want to show you a site here. All I did was I typed in large companies that accept Bitcoin, and this is what I got. I want you to see this for a reason. Overstock, WordPress, Subway, Microsoft, Reddit, Namecheap, CheapAir, Expedia. Huge companies, my friends, are accepting Mint, Intuit. Huge companies are accepting Bitcoin. Shopify, one of the largest online retailers, huge. I'm telling you, this is not a scam. These people would not be doing this if it was a scam. So get that crap out of your head. Understand that cryptocurrency, digital money is the future of it's the future of money. Let's put it that way. Once you understand that, then you'll get that, hey, I need to be involved. I need to learn because I'm going to get forced to learn one way or another. Now, there's an article right here that I want to talk about. Bitcoin shrugs off hack to push above 8 grand. Now, there's a cryptocurrency firm, Tether, also known as USDT on the Tether platform, that is backed by the US dollar. Okay? That's what this is here. You can find this link below the video to explain more of what an Omni wallet is and what USDT is as a cryptocurrency asset backed by the US dollar. This currency here is going for about 99 cents a coin right now. You can get it, but this is what's being used quite a bit in trades. Quite a bit in trades. Now, what happens, see, like I said, it's fairly simple to use. Once on exchanges like Bittrex, it can be used to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, and you can trade it. You can use it through different layers. It's a great coin to have, especially if you're going to be doing trades. But the reason why I'm bringing that up is if we go back here, they were hacked somehow. $31 million worth of USDT tokens were taken. How does that affect those that hold it? How does that affect the transfer of Bitcoin and everything else? We're not sure. So, remember in the beginning, I said I'm not sure how. I agree that Bitcoin will hit $10,000, but with this malicious action, I'm not 100% sure how it's going to affect that growth to ensure that Bitcoin does hit $10,000 by the end of the year. Could put a damper. I really believe it's going to slow down the damper of the USDT for a little bit until they ramp up their Tether security to figure out what happened, why, and what they're going to do to reconcile and resolve the lost 31 million theft, because that came from somewhere, right? People that had the tokens. Exactly. So, you have it here. Take a look at all the information that you've got in terms of companies that are out there. If you want more information, this is the Tether through CoinMarketCap. I encourage you to go there, take a look, see what it's done. Now, here's something to take a look at. There's 674.9 million Tether out there, and there's six. It's literally almost maxed in supply. It's all being used. You can go to historical data and see what's happening. Market cap, close, what it's closed at, where it was at, $1, 99 cents. This thing literally is about a dollar for dollar almost. A little bit under a dollar. You can see the trends, the gains. This is used dollar for dollar in exchange for, again, US dollar. And it's backed by the US dollar. So I'll have this definition of what USDT is pasted at the bottom of the video. Please take a look. I don't have time to explain it today, but I wanted to make sure I get this news out to you guys and the impact of what's going on all around us and how it impacts us and our potential future and decisions on what we do with crypto. So with that, Josh Fuchs here, your crypto wealth advocate. Make it a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode. Take care.